Teaching English online is one of the most rewarding and one of the best, easiest opportunities to make money online, whether you're based out of Kenya, in Africa, and pretty much anywhere else in the world. But if you Google the information that is available about teaching English online, you meet a lot of information, and most of it is really contradictory, which can be very confusing for somebody who is just starting out. So, what's the real deal with teaching English online? Like, do you need a university degree? Must you be a native English speaker? Do you need to get certified? And if yes, which certification? Those are some of the questions that you have in mind and you're interested in teaching English online, then this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eva Mtali, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online, working remotely, and making money to afford the travel lifestyle. So if any of these topics are of interest to you, then please make a point to hit the subscribe button below. And once you have done so, hit the notification bell as well, so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first person to know. So without much further ado, in this video, we are going to talk about the qualifications that you need in order to teach English online. If you can pronounce your English words correctly, you have an extensive vocabulary base, you have your grammar on point, and you are familiar with basic idioms and expressions in the English language, then you pretty much have all the skills that you need to teach English online. However, to get a position in one of the teaching English online platforms like VIP Kids and the like, then you may need some additional certifications and qualifications for you to increase chances of you getting a job online. The type of qualifications that you need to teach English online will therefore pretty much depend on the type of platform that you're looking at and also the type of students you are looking to teach. If you simply just want an extra source of income, like a part-time gig or, like a part-time freelance gig to teach English online, you can pretty much find private students to offer you online English teaching skills to on websites such as Preple. So platforms such as Preple.com basically connects students who are interested in learning a foreign language with online tutors. So with Preple.com, you have students who are interested in learning how to speak English, and on the other hand, you have teachers who are interested to teach English online. You don't need any special qualifications to teach on a platform such as Preple. You simply create a profile video of yourself and the languages that you're willing to teach in, set your prices, and you're ready to go. You then connect with students who are willing to learn your specific language, in this case English, through the company's video communication platform. However, if you want to create a more consistent income by teaching English online, you can get a position with one of the numerous online English teaching companies, and here we are talking about websites such as VIPkid.com, we have tutorabc.com, we have gogokid.com, we have qkids.com, and the like. And these companies will supply you with students that are interested in learning English online. Generally, to get a job in such kind of websites, you are going to need a university degree in any subject, but most preferably English, and you're also going to need an English teaching certificate. If you've never taught English before, then this shouldn't be a problem, because part of the requirements of qualifying for these certifications is that you teach at least one class. So if you've never taught English before, then getting one of these certifications is definitely a great idea, as it will give you a chance to try your hand at teaching, which is the main thing you are intending to do anyway. Essentially, there are three main English teaching certifications that you should consider and that I personally would recommend to you. The first one is TEFL, which is basically teaching English as a foreign language. We have CELTA, which is a certificate in teaching English to speakers of other languages. We have TESOL, which is teaching English to speakers of other languages. So among these three certifications, TEFL is the most popular one and the standard online qualification required by most of the online platforms. TEFL courses can be completed online or through a combination of both online and in-person learning. Prices for these courses vary depending on the provider and whether you're taking a fully online or a combination of online and in-person courses. For the CELTA, which is the certificate in teaching English to speakers of other languages. So the beauty with CELTA is that it is 100% online, yeah? And is generally regarded as very prestigious of the entry-level English teaching certifications. And for this reason, it is also more expensive and it takes longer to complete. So generally, it will take you have to dedicate anywhere between 45 to 55 hours a week for you to be able to complete the course. And it requires a total of 120 hours and it will cost you about 1,500 hours. Third certification course that I would recommend is TESOL, which is teaching English to speakers of other languages. TESOL is a slightly newer certification. It's focused on teaching methods foreign language students who are already living in the US, Canada, or other English-speaking countries. Some institutions offer a combination of TESOL and TEFL certification. So that is something you want to look at when you're picking out the right qualification for you. And most of these courses will require you to teach at least one class per week. Which can help you get rid of any jitters you may have, especially if you have never taught English online before. If you complete one of the said certifications, that is TEFL, TESOL, or CELTA, you could find yourself earning slightly more money than somebody who didn't have a qualification. However, if you complete any of the above three certifications and you start teaching English online and find that this is something you actually enjoy and you want to pursue it for the longer term or for an extended period of time, then it makes sense for you to move into more specialized teaching. And that is where courses such as Delta, which is getting a diploma in teaching English to speakers of other languages. We are talking about certificates in teaching business English. We are talking about teaching English to young learners. This becomes really handy for you and gives you an opportunity to make more money. With a diploma, you also have access to higher level teaching positions. And here we are talking about colleges, universities, and other institutions of higher learning. There are a vast number of ways you can earn money while teaching English online, depending on your individual preferences. If you want to get started away and just make extra money on the side, then you want to sign up with a platform such as Preple.com. If you're interested in something, some part-time gig, just making some, a little more money, then you should consider getting one of these certifications. And if this is something you want to do for the longer term, and for a full-time position, you need to consider getting some specialized training, as I have already discussed. Basically, as we have mentioned, what qualifications do you need to teach English online? It depends on you. What do you want to teach full-time? Do you want something just part-time? Are you looking at longer term goals? And what kind of students do you want to teach? If